First, I'm going to explain what I'm going to use to create each sound effect. When the balls are hitting the sides of the pool tables, I'm going to knock on my wooden desk with my hand. When Tom is blowing Jerry, I'm going to blow into the microphone of these headphones. When Tom is hitting the balls with the pool cue, I'm going to knock this glass lid onto a stone window ledge. When Tom is putting the pool chalk on Jerry, I'm going to take this ruler and scratch it on a wooden desk. Lastly, to recreate the bowling ball-like sound when Tom falls over, I'm going to take this plastic AirPod case and I'm going to drop it inside the drawer of the wooden desk.